Hey guys, it's been a while. The last time we talked about River was close to the unlock and we were getting ready to short around this region. If you had held your shots, that would have been a very good trade for you. But I've been away from the chart for a very long time, about a month or so, and I'm coming back today to see that River has gone down to about $4.3. So we broke the previous low at 5.5, created a new low, and you can see that was an indication of a bearish move. And as with all indications, there will always be a correction. So we saw a bullish correction. And if you go down to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that the correction seems to end at this point, and we had a low and a lower high. So that means price is not going further, or price tells us it doesn't want to go any further, and anything below this 4.973 is a good place to short. You can short for scalpers scalping to 4.32, or if you want to join the full trend, you can expand to see the next level of buyers are at 2.4. So you can hold your trade till it gets to that point. But what we don't want to see is price breaking above 5.4. Okay, breaking above the previous high, that will tell us that price is likely to get to the next level, which is around $6.3, or the shorter resistance here at 5.83. So right now this is a good time to short River. I'll be opening a short once I end this video and hold until it gets to 2.4, or as far as it can get to. So guys, that's it for now on River. Are you watching any other tokens? What tokens are you trading? Do you have any tokens you want me to check out? Which tokens are you finding interesting? Let's analyze these things together. So if you are thinking of a river short, you are within your rights to open a short right now, but you don't want to see price getting above 5.33 or 5.4, as the case may be, depending on the exchange you're using. So guys, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.